Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize websites on Wix for retro and nostalgic products, business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, so as you see now, you can start with Chat AI. So it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. You have just to answer the questions that's gonna ask you, and also you can go to basic setup, so you can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. Okay, now you can enter your business type. Now you can select your business type. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one, retro video game store. Okay, now you have to add your store name. Do you already have an online store? What would you like to sell, physical product or digital product or dropshipping product or services? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell, online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media? Now let's continue to dashboard. Okay, now let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? If you want to create a site for you or customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna start from here, so let's get started. Okay, now you can enter your information, your business name, your email, your address, and your phone, and also you can add a social link. Now you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business, so you can try your best to make your site look attractive. So don't forget the simple details like the themes and like the colors and the font. So it's more important to make your site look attractive to attract more people and more customers to your website. Now you're gonna pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one right here. You can add page to your site if you want. You can skip all this and customize it later. Now let's continue. Now you gotta wait a few seconds for preparing your homepage design. Okay, now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. So that's it. This is your editor page. So here you have elements. You can add elements. You can add the sections. You can manage pages and menus. You can customize the site design. You can add apps. So for example, if you wanna add elements, you can just start from the text. You can customize the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, the text mask. Also, you can upload images. You can import images. You can customize the buttons, the themed buttons, text and icon buttons, the payment buttons here. Okay. If you wanna customize the decorative, you can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines, and the vertical lines. So that's it. The first section here we have uh, the text, image, button, strip, and decorative, box, gallery. Okay, so you can select whatever you like. So if you want to add something new, you can just select, you can just click here, add section. You can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. You can just select the style and the type. And if you want to design your site, you can just click here and customize the site design, the color theme, the text theme, the page background, and the page transitions. So that's it. Let's move on to the The first section here we have the header, so you can do quick edits. For example, you can edit the site name, you can change the strip background, you can manage the horizontal menu. So that's it. Let's move on now to the next section, the welcome section. So here you can change the section background, the strip background. You can also change this image right here. You can change the paragraph. If you want to change this text, just click here and you can just describe what you want in your text. For example, you can just select the type of the section, the welcome section. You have to insert the information to include here. Now it's gonna create it for you. You can make it shorter, you can generate another one as you like and as you should. So that's it. If you want to edit the text, you can select your favorite font. First you have to change the style. Okay, so that's it. Let's move on now to the next section. So this is the product section. Now you have to you have to create your product. So to do that, you have to manage your product first. Okay, add new product. You can select physical product or digital file. So now you can add the title of your product. You can add the images and videos. You can add the product information, the name and the description. Also you can customize the price and options. You can turn this on and customize the discount and the sale price. Also you can manage the inventory and the shipping. You can turn this on, the track inventory, and you can customize the inventory and the shipping weight. So that's it. After you're done, you can just save this place and go back to the editor to complete design. So this is the features section, so the same thing as normal. You can change whatever you like, this image right here. Also you can change the text, you can just describe what you want in your text. If you want to change the strip background, for example the color, for example this one, it's much better. So okay, let's move on now to the next section. So the same thing, if you want to change the text or the image. Okay, so now you can just add just a simple quick edits. You don't have to change everything here. Okay, and the last section here we have the footer section, so you can just customize and edit your email, add your email and the company name for the copyright. So that's it. Before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop before you go live. Also you can save it from this button here. You can save your editor page. So that's it. Now you can publish your website, you can start selling and you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.